This video shows you how to prepare a USB to install either a software upgrade or a recent software version during a factory restore. To set up a USB key, first make sure that it is empty of all other files. Ensure that the USB is formatted as FAT32. Next, you need a software keys text file. If you contacted technical support, they will email it to you. If you have not contacted technical support, you can create a software keys text file. To create the file, you need the device's serial number. Then, go to the Polycom support portal at support.polycom.com. Click Licensing and Product Registration, then Activation/Upgrade. Select all other Polycom products. Choose Site and Single Activation/Upgrade. Enter the serial number, then click Next. On this page, go to Upgrade. You see a list of software versions. To restore to your current software version, find it in the list, then click the Get button on the right to receive the key code. You may also be able to restore your device to a newer software version if it is labeled as available. You cannot use software labeled Available but not entitled because it is not under a current maintenance agreement. Next, open a plain text editor such as Notepad. The software keys text file needs to follow this exact format. It is U, then a tab, then the serial number, then a tab, then the upgrade key with hyphens. You can download a template from this video's attachments. Save this file as sw_keys.txt. The name, swkeys, and the plain text file format are very important. This instructs the group series to install the software. Copy the file to the USB's root directory. Now you need to download the group series software build package from the support portal. Go to the Documents and Software section, then Telepresence and Video. Locate the group series. Select your device, then go to the Current Releases tab. Look for the tar file for the software version you got the key code for. If you do not see it, check Previous Releases, which has older software versions. Download the correct tar file, then transfer this to the USB's root directory. Once the build package and the software keys files are on the USB, you can use it to install system software during a factory restore. Please follow the factory restore instructions for your specific device. This is the end of the video.